Hi, my name is Lolita. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a knitted rug using very basic knit stitches. Even if you're a beginner, you should be able to do this. So let's begin. Subscribe to this channel and click on bell icon for the notification. I'm using size 8 needle from brand Pony and some upcycle yarn. Firstly, we'll make such small knitted squares and then we sew them together. This upcycle yarn is from an old sari, so for 1 inch in width. If you need much thicker needles, you need to opt for a lower number. So let's see how to cast on. Tie the yarn around the needle just using a simple knot. Wrap the yarn around 2 fingers and make a loop and insert the needle through it. So I'll be making 25 such loops. I have 25 loops on this needle. In order to start the next row, insert the needle through the first loop, wrap the yarn around and pull it out. So once again, push the needle under, over and pull it out. And continue doing the same. So it's the last stitch, so the first row will end. So keep repeating this process over and over till you reach 25th row. If you want to take a break in between, make sure you push those needles forward and insert it into the existing row so it stays put. Have to cast off. Have completed 25 rows. It gives us a absolute perfect square. To cast off, you need to push the needle under and follow the basic stitch that we did initially. Wrap and then pull it out. We require 2 stitches on the other needle. So now you have this 2 stitches, 1, 2. So what you have to do is you have to pull the first stitch over the second. That's 1 over 2. Insert the needle to the first loop and pull it over second. Let's do that again. Need to borrow 1 more stitch. One over 2. Insert the needle to the first loop and then pull it over second. Once you're left with the final stitch, tie the knot with the remaining yarn. Pull the yarn through the final loop, tie a knot and secure it. I'm leaving this additional thread so that will help us sew. Each one of these squares measure around 9 by 9 inches. I've already knitted them in the different colors but of same size. So we'll start sewing the 2 pieces together. I'm using a big sewing needle with a big eye. So here it is. All you have to do is to follow a very basic zigzag stitches. It's pretty easy to use a needle and sew it. Have to add additional yarn. Now all you have to do is make sure you tie a knot and secure it. I have placed each of these squares vertically and horizontally so to avoid stretching. So all the squares are sewn together. The knitted rug is ready to use. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.